Okay, so today we're going to go over the installation of the new XSTAR cover. So I already have the bow started. I do have the pole in the bow area. The two reasons we're going to need a pole are for long-term storage. You want to use your poles, and if you're going to be going down the highway more than 60 miles at highway speeds, it's a good idea to put them in. Other than that, you can just go ahead and use the taps. So we got everything pulled back. This is centered. We're going to come over here to the tower area. Collar, so it's very important to make sure that your seams are lined up on each part of each piece. So you have your seam right here, and you have another seam here. You want to line those up, start them even. Make sure you don't have overlap this too far, because then you take away material in the back. All right, we're going to go ahead and loosen up here a little bit. We'll do our buckle. Now these new buckles only go the one way because they have notches in them. There you go. So you make sure those lined up. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our taps rope over the pylon. You got to make sure that it's not twisted up, because then you're not going to be able to pull it through to tighten it down. So make sure we're nice and got a good flow here. Put it up and over. Again, we have the. We'll just go ahead and put the pole in. Not necessary, except for two reasons I noted before. Just gonna walk it back. So when you're doing this, if you notice right now, I have some bagginess right here on the cover. So that's because this rope is still engaged in the clan cleat. So if we break that, see now there's no wrinkles now. So that means we have the excess material to be able to get to the back. So then we're going to start coming back here. You want to go ahead and line up your cover with the cutout. We're going to cinch that down. Come to the other side. Same thing here. Cinch that down. Now on this XSTAR, it's a little tricky because you don't have the cross webbing anymore, or available on this one. So you're just going to want to hook over here, keep a little tension on it. You're going to start ratcheting one side, get a little tension on it. Over to the other side. It's wanting to slide up. On this boat, you definitely get it down below the character line. Just keep going tight with it as tight as you can. Make sure you're. And again, I'm just going to slide this down like so. Pull that tighter. Alright, so don't be afraid to get these ratchets extremely tight. We're not going to crack the hull of the boat. These are made for that kind of pressure, so there's no worries there. And then when you're done, you get it as tight as you want. You go ahead and get the rope, pull that tight. Close the pocket. You're good.